What's growing arms? Just chilling, we're chilling here. Nation Explosion here from the band Meth Cock, obviously. We're back here in the old blowing shit up grounds because it's explosions in the woods too, motherfucker! Oh, is it fire ants? Are these fucking fire ants, dude?
Fucking band over here. Call yourself a one-man band.
Yeah, obviously the YouTube episodes aren't coming as regularly as they have been in the past because Brandon decided to get himself a fucking wife and kids. Now Darb just has to edit all the shit by himself. It's a one-man band here now! I'm alone! Get these fucking things off of me. I had to get a second job doing elephant circumcisions. The pay's not even that good. I mean, the tips are huge, but I mean, how are you gonna live off an elephant dick? It's just protein. There's no vitamins. Did you guys hear? We have 188 subscribers. We're fucking killing it, man. That's more than Custom Grow 420, Strain Central, Silenced Hippie, Errand Richard, your mom. 2018, Domination's a shit! To the moon! I think this is the spot. Ah! It's kind of cute.
I love him. Is he still alive?
I think he's still alive.
Give him a little shake.
Wake up, buddy!
Are you?
Hey, wake up! Hey, wake up! Hello! Hello! Are you subscribed to Darb Nation? I think he said yes. He said yes! Woo! Let's go hang out, bro! Exclusive VIP, Malcolm! Woo! Woo! Malcolm's here to stay! Whoa! Can't get me! Can't get me! So you're listening to right now, stoner metal? You check out the new Sleep album? Sciences, pretty good.
This episode's brought to you by MasterCard and beer. Special thanks to Superstore with their cashierless tills. We paid not for peanut M&Ms, but something else. I'm not gonna tell you what, because it's illegal, and we'll go to jail in Mexico.
Just bring in Malcolm. Malcolm probably wants to see.
Hey Malcolm, you gonna watch this shit?
You gonna check it out, bro? Oh yeah, I'm totally gonna check it out. Super stoked to see that blow up.
Nice. Love blowing up candy.
What's up, Africa? Heard you like food, so we're gonna blow up these M&Ms. Hopefully they'll fucking reach you in a couple of days, give or take. Wind patterns, geographical locations, and climate. Fuck them. We're gonna basically throw these in here, put a bomb underneath it. The rest is history. You know, like Hiroshima. I'm not sure if it's gonna work. Malcolm, you think it's gonna work? Hell yeah, I think it's gonna work. Let's get it. This goes up to Best Buy. Thanks for the extended warranty. Hakuna Matata, bitch. It recorded 3 different slow motions and I think it grabbed the right one at the last fucking moment. Holy fuck, awesome. We gotta review that. And we're gonna actually blow up the side armament of what looks like a wooden version of Minas Tirith, the great mountain city in Lord of the Rings. And basically, I've been actually conducting a scientific experiment on the sexual relations of dogs and humans. So if anybody needs me, I'll be inside my dog. Oh, god damn it. I mean, I'll be in my lab. I fucked up the joke, Brandon. Should I shoot it again? Fucking hell. Let's send this bitch in the sky!
What you doing, Darbs?
I'm here to fuck with the fire ants that bit me in my ass. This whole fucking nest is going up, bro.
Nice. The internet supports you.
PETA, suck my dick. I had to think of something.
Get closer.
I want it to be my dick.
PETA.
Hey, PETA, suck my dick. These fire ants are getting lit. All right, let's blow up Wood Mountain. You want to do it, Malcolm? Yeah! Malcolm wants to. Let's do it. Oh my god! Holy shit! Dude!
Fuck you, fire ants, you dirty bitch.
Fuck you, fire ants! Bite me, bitch! No!
Watch out.
Yeah!
Yeah, kicking the shit out of it. Bitch. Ow! Oh my god.
We got another
our
fucking
bomb.
sick blowout.
Look at that C-section, boy.
Oh yeah.
That did not come with the vagina. That baby was too big.
That was pregnant by a face hugger. I thought it was the queen.
Dude, look at these ants. That's so crazy. It's fucking crazy they're in the middle of a fucking tree stump.
That's their home.
Like they literally must have dug tunnels.
Some people live in the streets. Some live in their mom's pouch.
Some niggas
Some
live in
people live
trees.
in the fucking wood.
Crazy
That's
little
Nat Geo.
fucker.